Hey, yo, you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know it's been, what, maybe 5 minutes since we've taken a look at something from CRKT? As you know by that thumbnail and everything else you clicked on to get here, today we're going to take a look at the CRKT Bona Fide. Now, with CRKT, they usually put some really cool info on the inside, and yes, I'll get to the blade in just a second. This is the Gen 2 Field Strip Tech. We'll get into that in a moment. You guys know how much I love that field strip in the first gen. It makes breakdown so much easier. And they also sent some info on the M16-12 Zulu Lima Echo Kilo. So there you go. Alright, but here it is in all of its glory. Now, first thing that attracted me to it, it's a Ken Onion design. You guys know I love me some Ken Onion blades. The second thing that made me go to it is the Field Strip Tech. The second generation, okay, I was kind of intrigued by it. I'm kind of like, now, but it's better than the first gen, I will say that. I like the black over the OD, design, but still, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. As I stated previously, it is a Ken Onion design. Got an overall length of about 8.125 inches. The blade's about 3.50. According to Blade HQ, with that big-ass belly that's common with Ken Onion designs, it has a cutting surface of about 3.625. Closed, you're looking at about 4.625, with a minor weight of about 3.79 ounces. As you can see, it is done in the drop point style, with a plain edge, a flat grind, black finish. Here's the part that made me go, okay. The steel is 1.4116 stainless steel. Now, if I'm looking at the chemical composition and everything correctly, it's very similar to about 440 high carbon. So, okay. Just my thought. It does have, like I said earlier, the olive drab aluminum scales. You'll see in a moment, it does have a stainless steel frame with a liner lock. The IKBS system, which is supposedly, for a really smooth opening, but I've had some issues with that. Yeah, now it opens great. Like I said earlier, Generation 2 Field Strip Tech, flipper open. Only one way to carry it is right-hand carry, tip up. We do have the lanyard hole, well, not so much a hole back here, but the lanyard area. And yes, it is made in China. Alright, now it's time to demonstrate that Field Strip Tech. This is what I thought was really cool. Normally when you break a blade down, as you can see, you have to pull out a whole bunch of screws, keep them separate, do everything, you need specialized tools. Well, not with the Field Strip Tech. And they made it a lot easier. The first one had the wheel on the back. This one is, you got her in the closed. Oh, wait. Yep. Come on. Basically, slide that into the up position and comes right open for you. See? There's the IKBS system. I think that's really cool. Now, to get her back together, you just basically... Okay. Oops. Sorry. Need a bit off screen there. Come back around. Pieces fit together, no problem. Give it a little bit of squeeze and move it right back down. And now your blade is ready to go. So you see, it really takes that getting the wheel and screwing it back down and holding it and do it. It just, the Generation 2 makes it so much easier to break the blade down and get her clean. Alright, let's move into the cut tests. We usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's a card for why we do the cut tests. First up, as usual, heavy duty stock paper. Ooh, a little bit of jagged. Going through that thing smooth like butter. Let's go for a curlicue. Well, not as good as I'd like, but still, we got one. Okay. Why do I go for that curlicue? That's a question I get asked a lot. Now, anyone can just take that blade and go right through and go sharp. Sharp, sharp. Wow. Smack that camera, it moves a lot. But if you can drag that blade across slow and maintain that same edge angle, that paper should start to curl back in on itself, and you should get that little curly cue. Alright, next up is the River's Revenge. But we've got to add something new to that. Why? Because Bill's an awesome dude, and I think he deserves a little bit more. Oh, Magic 8 Ball, will the River's Revenge be good to me today? Seriously? Alright, what's that? Bill? Really, Bill? Oh, Magic 8 Ball, will this test be good to me? Outlook what? Outlook good. Like I trust you, Bill. Okay, paracord. Now, the last one I did, I smacked the camera. So, let's see if this can be a little different. Pull. A lot more effort than I wanted to, but kind of clean. And slice. Really clean. Alright, let's go to Mr. Ratchet Strap. I know, he's the star of the show, the man of the hour. Do it, no problem. Alright, let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. I see a little snowfall on the blade, but that's okay. Like, right through there. And yeah, I can see some stuff on the other side. Some fuzzies from either the paracord or Mr. Ratchet Strap. But okay, so I am filming this on July 15th, 2022. I did the pricing homework on July 14th, 2022. I looked on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. Over on Blade HQ, it's $99.99. CRKT, we're looking at about $100. On Amazon, where I got mine, $85. On Blade HQ, it's been reviewed one time for a 5 out of 5 star rating. It has yet to be reviewed over on CRKT. And on Amazon, it's been reviewed 11 times for a 4.3 out of 5 star rating. Now, we are at the best part of the video for me. Seriously, I love this part of every video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I'm kind of on the fence about it. I got it for the Gen 2 field strip. I wanted to check it out and see what it's like. I don't know. For some reason, for me, it just feels out of place in my hand. It's a good fit, but it feels out of place. And that's just me, okay? I also got it because Ken Onion, and I love his blades, but still. All right. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and seriously get this insanity out there to a lot more people. And that's always a lot of fun, right? Now, we're going to skip the little YouTube-y things on the side, guys. You already know there's going to be a thing for subscribe down there, and two videos will be popping up over here. Those are videos that YouTube's going to select from my current catalog, and they feel that that's a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Bona Fide. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and we'll see all of you in our very next video.